Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Easy Liner. First, let's prepare. Always begin by ensuring your surface is completely clean and dry. Any dust or grease can affect adhesion. Next, give your Easy Liner container a good shake for about 30 seconds to ensure all components are well mixed. This step is crucial for a smooth, even application. Finally, remember to put on your gloves and eye protection to stay safe during the process. Safety first, always. Now let's talk about applying the liner. For the best finish, use a high-quality roller or brush to spread a thin, even coat. It's often helpful to work in smaller sections, ensuring you slightly overlap each pass to avoid any missed spots. Aim for a consistent thickness, roughly 1/16 of an inch, across the entire surface. This careful application will help achieve a durable and professional-looking result. Take your time and be thorough for optimal coverage. Once your first coat is applied, patience is key. Allow it to dry for a minimum of 2 to 4 hours before considering a second application. This ensures proper adhesion and prevents bubbling. When ready, apply a second, equally thin coat to build up durability and protection. Remember, the full curing process takes a bit longer. Your Easy Liner will be completely cured and ready for heavy use within 24 to 48 hours, depending on environmental conditions. Don't rush it. To keep your Easy Liner looking great and performing well, regular maintenance is simple. Clean the surface with mild soap and water, using a soft cloth or sponge. It's important to avoid harsh chemicals or abrasive scrubbers, as these can damage the protective finish. Periodically, take a moment to inspect your liner for any signs of wear, such as peeling or thinning. If you notice any areas needing attention, a quick reapplication can extend its life significantly. Enjoy your durable surface.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.